So it has been boiling for 10 minutes. I'm just going to take it out.
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, pain.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. In today's video, I want to talk about kidney stones. All right, kidney stones is just a stone that is being formed in your kidney, and whenever you want to pass urine, when you pass through your ureter, it might block your ureter and cause you pain during urination. So almost 70% of kidney stones is being made of calcium. So one of the reasons why we develop kidney stones, or some people develop kidney stones, is because they don't drink a lot of water, guys. That's why it's very important that we drink a lot of water. When you don't drink out a lot of water and there are things forming up in your kidney, your kidney doesn't flush out all the toxins that it's supposed to flush out, and it's going to just accumulate and form like a stone, like a hard rock. All right, so, and it is very painful when during urination. That's where you might even notice it might even block your ureter. It might even cause infection. Kidney stone is becoming something that a lot of people have been experiencing kidney stone. A lot of people are experiencing these kidney stones. All right, some might not cause any severe reaction, and of course if you notice it early, you can definitely get rid of these kidney stones. So one of the symptoms that you might be experiencing if you have kidney stones, you're going to feel pain at your back, at the right side, your lower right side of your back, below your ribs. There's going to be a sharp pain, and this sharp pain is going to radiate from your back to your abdomen and to your groin. It is going to radiate, like you will see, like the pain will come from the back, from the right lower part of your back to your abdomen and to your groin. And this pain, it fluctuates, right? It will just come and go. It will come, then you think that you're relieved, then you just, when it will come, right, the pain is and it's a sharp stabbing pain, right? It will come, and then you will think that the pain is there. Later it will go, you will feel relief, and later it will come again. The pain fluctuates. All right, so in today's video, you just need one item to get rid of that kidney stone, and this item right here is coconut. Right, so I'm going to show you how we're going to use this coconut to get rid of the kidney stone. You want to make sure that it is the grain. This coconut is looking a little bit like this because I got it since it's 2 days now that I got this coconut, and it has already changed. It is green coconut, okay, fresh coconut, the baby coconut, not the strong mature coconut, because all we need is just the water inside this coconut. The water of the baby coconut is what you need to get rid of your kidney stone. All right, so first thing, you make sure that you take your coconut, you wash it. I have washed this coconut, it is clean. All right, it's very clean, and you want to make sure that you put it in a pot. This is hot water. And let it boil for 10 minutes. The water is almost boiling, so you let it boil for 10 minutes. It is very important that you boil this coconut, before you take out the coconut water. Boil it with the green shell on it. The reason why you're boiling this coconut water, you're boiling the coconut, is because you want the water to be warm while you're drinking it. All right, I'm just going to turn that around. You need the water to be warm while you're drinking, because the warmer the water, it's going to help to dissolve the stones, and it's going to help to get rid of that stone. So we're going to boil that for 10 minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so it has been boiling for 10 minutes. I'm just going to take it out and take out the water from the coconut. So after boiling it, you want to make sure that you make an opening to take out the water, because that is what we want. We want the water. We want the water from the coconut. That is the quantity that we have. And just strain that. Alright guys, so this is your coconut water. Alright, you want to make sure that you drink it at night before you go to bed. Drink it for about 3 to 4 days, or you can take it for 1 week every night before you go to bed. And you're going to pass out. When you're taking this coconut water, make sure you monitor your urine, you monitor the color of the urine, and you want to make sure that you see if there are any particles inside the urine, because your urine is going to be milky. You know, you're going to pass out a urine that looks like it's going to be milky, and once you see that kind of urine, you know that the kidney stones, you have passed them out. You have passed them out like urine. They have been destroyed. They have been broken down by this coconut water. That is the power of coconut water, guys. Do not underestimate this coconut water and what it can do. A lot of people have testified about using coconut water to get rid of their kidney stones. So I decided to share this video with you guys, so you can also try if you're going through this issue, and share this video so other people also might learn. If you're watching this video, do not forget to click that share button. It's absolutely free. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel before leaving, okay? And make sure to turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you will get to watch it. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and until then guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Do have a great day. Bye.